In this video I want to show you the Rescan function and the insert function, new functions in the API scan to net. I first connect my scanner and I'm going to make some normal scans. I see here the number 5, so I reset it to 1 and the number of digits is 4. Now I make a few scans. 4 would be enough. And then I will show you the rescan function and the insert, of course. I now scanned 4 images, but image 1 was not good, so I'll say rescan. I click on the 1 and so you can see it's changed. I will change this to grayscale and say rescan number 1. And it will take the name of number 1, as you see. I also forgot something and I want to insert it after 2, so I call it 3. I click on the scan after image, insert, and say scan. And then it will insert after 2 and renumber the numbers after the 3. You see 4, 5. I will show you again. It should be 5 after 4, so I must change it here. And then I say scan. And then it will be number 5, and the old number 5 will be number 6, as you see it here. Then when I go further with scanning, I need to change this in 7 because I was at 7. I undo this and scan again, and it will be 7 and I can go further. I think this explains the great new function rescan and replace. Thanks for listening. Have a good day.